Hi folks, Anil here. Welcome to the another edition of Special Edition. In this video, I wanted to just give you a quick demo of a small tool that I have created using the LLM RAG model. As you might be aware, recently I have started doing videos on LLMs and artificial intelligence. You might have seen already 2 videos, probably a couple of next videos will come in future. But one of the outcome has been that I have been delving into lot of Python and LangChain embeddings, lot of those things. And one of the thing that I have worked on is RAG, that is Retrieval Augmented Generator. You might find the word very fancy, but to make it very simple, let me explain what a RAG is. You might be already aware these LLMs. ChatGPT is one of the LLM, that is large language model. They are basically large language models that have been trained on a body of knowledge, and you can basically ask any question on that and it will answer you. That is how ChatGPTs work, and that is how most of the LLMs work. The one ChatGPT that you have seen interacting on web is very huge one, but it is possible to host these LLMs on small machines like your laptop. You can interact with them, and one of such tool is called as Ollama. It basically allows you to host a large language model on your machine. But the default body of knowledge will not be of much sufficient. What you can also do is embed it or supply it with your own knowledge base and then ask queries on that particular knowledge. Now I will tell you where this idea came from. On CodeTutor, I have almost more than 350 videos, and one of the common questions that I keep getting in the comment section is, do you have video on some topic? Do you have video on view model? Do you have a video on composable? Do you have a video on, say for example, how work manager works? And I know definitely that I have done a video on this, but I really don't know the exact video link where I have talked about it. Of course, I can go and search on YouTube and figure out where that video is and then share you the link. So I just wanted a much quicker solution to this particular problem. If I can just consolidate all the data that I have about my videos and put it in one place and then use that as a knowledge base to interact with a local LLM, then will it work? And that was the crux of the idea, and based on that I worked on this. I won't be boring you with all the technical details, but I will quickly give you a demo of a rough working copy that I have created. So over to screen share. So this is how it looks. Start interacting with Ollama, loading a new data from the file, wait for a moment. So Ollama is a locally hosted environment which allows you to download multiple LLMs. I have downloaded the latest released LLM by Meta, Llama 3, and I'm using that to basically do all these implementations. And also I have downloaded all the data dump of the metadata of my YouTube channel and created the embedding using that and supplied that to Llama 3 model. It should be basically able to answer any questions that I have about any videos that I might have made. It basically starts with the prompt. Hi, this is CodeTutor Assistant here. You can ask me questions on availability of videos by topic. I can help you with whether such videos exist or not. So I can say that, do you have any videos on Jetpack Compose? If yes, give me the link to the video. Yeah, so couple of videos that I have published recently. So guidelines in constraint layout, and it also gives you the link. And if I just click here and open that, I should be able to go to that particular video. This is exactly the video. So let me go back. Let me once again ask another question. I can say when this video was published. Let's see what it does. Around some time that it was published. Now, do you have any videos on Swift? This was something that I had done very long time back. Let's see whether it gives the result. Yes, these are some of the videos that I had done. It was a complete whole series. Yeah, you can create your own assistant by locally running LLM. So this is CodeTutorGPT in a way. If you are interested in knowing how technically it got implemented, let me know. I can make a separate video on that. And keep a watch on some of the new videos that I have been making on artificial intelligence, because later point in time I will be also making videos on how to work with LLMs and related stuff. So thanks for your time. That brings us to the end of this particular video. Don't forget to like, comment, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye.